Hello everyone, my name is Pauline Carson and I am the co-professional lead for Children and Young People's Nursing in the School of Nursing Midwifery. I would just like to take a couple of minutes just to talk to you about our programme and first of all congratulate you on being offered a place on our nursing programme. Some of you will be holding a place just for children's nursing and others will have offers for more than one field. So Children and Young People's Nursing, as the name suggests, is about caring for children and young people across a whole range of age groups from premature babies right up to young people 18, 19 years old, and in some cases up into early adulthood, so 24, 25 if it's in a specialist area such as oncology. So what do we offer? Well, our programme is designed to help you to develop the knowledge and the skills that you will need to care for children, young people across all ages and their families. So the programme itself is over 3 years. In year 1, year 2 and year 3 you will have specialist field specific modules, each building year on year to develop your knowledge and skills. You'll also learn your practical skills both in our in university, in our skills lab and our simulated learning labs, and also out in clinical practice, working alongside practice supervisors and practice assessors. And I'll talk about placements a little bit later on. Now, some of you may have been offered a place for February. That's the first time this has happened because from academic year 2021, the School of Nursing will offer children's nursing in September and February because our numbers have increased. Now, please don't worry if you've been offered a place in February. It will be exactly the same programme as you would have had we just offered a September intake, and it will be delivered by the same lecturers from within the Children and Young People's team. So what sort of things do we cover in our teaching? Well, we have to teach you about child development because babies have very different needs and requirements from young people. So we will teach you about the different stages of development and how that would impact on how you care for a child or a young person or a baby. We will also teach you about all the different conditions that young people, children and young people may be born with or will acquire as they grow. We also teach you how to work with families because children and young people come as part of a family. And as I said, that will take place within the lectures. Some of those lectures will be shared with other fields. Some of them are field specific, also in tutorials and seminars and in skills labs, and also out in clinical practice, as I've said. Where do the placements take place? Well, placements take place both in hospital and in community. In the hospital setting, that would include general children's wards, specialist children's wards, emergency departments, theatres, outpatients, working with specialist nurses, and those specialist nurses work both within the hospital and out in the community. Out in the community, it's working with health visitors, school nurses, and community children's nurses who care for children in their own home. And sometimes children with very specialist needs, also specialist schools, and also the children's hospice. So a whole range of placement areas that will enable you to get a wide range of experience with all different age groups of babies, children, school-age children, and young people. The team itself is made up of 9 full-time and part-time staff. We come with a whole variety of different backgrounds and different specialist areas. My own specialist area is children and young people's cardiology, and within that I have a specialist interest in young people's health. We also sit on a number of different committees in Northern Ireland and in the UK. So we are able to then bring that knowledge into our teaching as well. So what we deliver will be very current and very up to date. On Friday, we are offering a virtual open day, holders open day, and I will be hosting a couple of sessions during Friday alongside one of my colleagues, Patricia McNeely. And at that time you'll be able to ask us any questions. So please do jot down any questions you might have, and hopefully we will be able to answer them and give you a little bit more insight into our programs. But well done on getting this far, and I look forward to speaking to you on Friday and answering any questions that you might have. Thank you for listening.